Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my video. May God bless you as you watch this video. Please, if the first time you come across my video, please just do me a favor by like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless you. This is how I made two exhausts for my Honda Cafe Racer 300. So thank you for watching the video. Enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video. God bless you.
Next they hit a nigga in his head with this one. I'ma paint the city red with this one. I'ma head with this one. See you fucking with the ball, 2 toys way before Christmas. No assistance, just that persistence with that commitment. If I don't get it, somebody gon' die tonight. I know my vibe is tight, and I deserve the throne. And if the kid ain't right, then let me die in this song. See, I be riding, just riding alone, with my daddy on my mind, like you gotta be kidding. How the hell you ain't here to see your prince do his thing? Sometimes I wanna drop a tip, but no emotions from a king. Shall be, so I be who I be, that's me. That's Weezy F, baby, and please say the motherfucking. So I be who I be, that's me. That's Weezy F, baby, and please say the motherfucking. Baby, you gotta know that I'm just out here doing what I gotta do for me and you, and we eatin'. So bitch, why the fuck is you trippin'? I'm taking these chances, my head to the sky, my feet on the ground, my fingers to the judge. If the money don't move, then I won't budge, won't budge. No, I won't budge, no, no. Money is the motivation, facing the avenue, back touching the wall. Got the weed, got the gun, gotta run when I hear the bird call. Damn, hop in that thing and murk off, swerve off. You know me, they call me Birdman Jr.